The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2. 0 with its peak 1400W motor is an impressive machine that caters to a variety of riders, offering an excellent blend of power, performance, and comfort. This review delves into its key features, performance, and overall riding experience, which make it stand out in the increasingly crowded electric bike market. To begin with, the design of the Ranger 2. 0 is robust and aesthetically pleasing. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability while keeping the weight manageable. The bike boasts a sleek, modern look that appeals to both casual riders and enthusiasts. The 20-inch fat tires not only enhance stability but also provide a confident ride on various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. This versatility is a significant advantage for those who want a bike that can handle different riding conditions. One of the defining features of the Ranger 2. 0 is its powerful 1400W peak motor. This motor allows the bike to achieve speeds of up to 28 miles per hour in electric mode, making it an exhilarating option for commuting or recreational rides. The responsiveness of the motor is commendable, providing quick acceleration when needed. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or tackling steep hills, the Ranger 2. 0 delivers an impressive performance. The pedal assist function also offers 5 levels of assistance, allowing riders to customize their experience for maximum comfort and efficiency. The bike is equipped with a 48V20A lithium-ion battery, which is another standout feature. This battery provides a substantial range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on factors such as rider weight, terrain, and the level of assistance used. Charging is efficient as well. It takes approximately 6 to 8 hours for a full recharge, making it convenient for daily use. The battery is removable, allowing for easy charging at home or in the office, which is a thoughtful addition for users who may not have access to an outdoor outlet. Riding comfort is a crucial aspect of any bike, and the Heybike Ranger 2. 0 does not disappoint. The bike features an adjustable seat that is well padded, providing ample support for long rides. The front suspension fork smooths out bumps and absorbs shocks, enhancing overall ride quality. Riders will appreciate the ergonomic handlebars that promote a natural riding position, reducing strain on the back and wrists during extended journeys. Safety features are also a priority with the Ranger 2. 0. The bike comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes that deliver strong stopping power, even in wet conditions. This is particularly important for those who often ride in urban environments where quick stops may be necessary. Additionally, integrated LED lights ensure visibility during low-light conditions, contributing to safe riding experiences after dark. The bike's user-friendly LCD display offers essential information at a glance. Riders can easily monitor speed, battery level, distance traveled, and assist level. This straightforward interface helps keep the rider informed without causing distractions. The inclusion of a USB port for charging devices adds a modern touch, allowing you to keep your phone charged while on the go. Assembly of the Ranger 2. 0 is relatively straightforward, although some tools are required. The packaging is well thought out, with clear instructions that guide users through the setup process. Most users should be able to put together the bike within an hour, making it accessible even for those who may not be particularly handy. Now, it's worth mentioning a couple of areas where the Ranger 2. 0 could be improved. While the bike is generally quite sturdy, some riders might find the weight a bit cumbersome. At around 75 pounds, it's heavier than traditional bikes, which can be a consideration for those who may need to lift or transport it frequently. Additionally, while the fat tires provide excellent traction, they can create a slightly bulkier feel when maneuvering in tight spaces. In conclusion, the Heybike Electric Bike Ranger 2. 0 is an excellent investment for anyone looking to combine efficiency with fun and practicality. Its powerful motor, long-range battery,